Angel number 633, is a sign that you need to tap into your feminine side. Everyone, regardless of gender, has both masculine and feminine energy. However, some people are more in touch with their masculine side, while others are more in touch with their feminine side. If you want to manifest your desires now, your angels are telling you that you need to embrace the divine feminine. In this phase of your life, manifestation requires a certain sensitivity and intuition that can only be found in those who embrace their feminine side. But what exactly does this mean? How do you tap into your feminine energy? Here are some ideas for you. First, pay attention to your intuition in all areas of your life. If you find yourself more in tune with the people and circumstances around you, then that is a sign that you are tapping into your feminine energy. Next, you can also nurture others, whether it's a loved one or an animal. Care for those around you and show them the love that they need. Finally, it can also help to embrace your softer side. Listen to gentle music, and relax a little more often. Spend time in nature. All of these things will help connect you to your feminine side and make it easier for you to manifest the things you desire in your life. What does 633 mean for love? If you are single, angel number 633 means that you need to soften your approach to dating. Be more open to new people and new experiences. Trust your intuition when it comes to love, and don't be afraid to let your guard down. Sometimes if you've been hurt in the past, it can cause you to put your guard up. But in order to manifest the love that you desire, it is important to open yourself up and embrace vulnerability. By choosing to let love in, you will be able to attract love into your life more easily. What does 633 mean for your relationship? If you are in a relationship, angel number 633 can still signify that it is time to tap into your feminine energy. While tapping into your feminine energy, it is important to also nurture your partner. Be more understanding and supportive. Spend more time together. Listen more than you speak. And you will find things moving and flowing more smoothly between the two of you. What does 633 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 633 represents the merging of your two energies. This is a time to let go of any separation that you may have been feeling, and to come back into union with your twin. In order to do this, it is important to embrace your feminine energy. This can be done by being more open, loving, and compassionate with your twin. It is also important to communicate openly and honestly with each other. By doing this, you will create a stronger bond between the two of you that can never be broken. What does 633 mean for spirituality? For spiritual growth, angel number 633 means that it's time to open yourself up to new experiences, emotions, and ways of being in the world. It is also important to nurture your spiritual practice and to allow yourself to be guided by your intuition. By doing this, you will create a stronger connection with the divine. If you don't have a steady spiritual practice just yet, you'll definitely want to create one now. Things don't have to be complicated. It can be something as simple as spending time in nature, lighting candles, or meditating for a few minutes each day. The important thing is that you make the time for it and that you're consistent. The universe will reward you handsomely for even the smallest effort. What does 633 mean for money and career? For money, angel number 633 means that it's time to focus on your goals and what you want to achieve. It is also important to tap into your creative side, as this will help you manifest your desires more easily. Consider your childhood dreams and desires. What did you want to be when you grew up? Before adults inside and outside of your home told you that it would not work, you have always been enough, good enough, smart enough. You are the creator of your own destiny, and if you want to achieve financial success, then now is the time to use your natural creativity to solve problems standing in between you and your money. So go ahead and take that leap of faith. The universe is supporting you every step of the way. Overall, angel number 633 is a wake-up call to begin living your life more authentically by tapping into your feminine side. Tap into your true potential and start manifesting your dreams, now. This is a time of great opportunity, so don't be afraid to take risks. The universe is supporting you every step of the way. Trust in yourself and the path that you have chosen, and know that you are deserving of all the abundance and success that life has to offer. May you always be guided by your intuition, and may all of your dreams come true.